Good nutrition is essential. It impacts energy, sleep, and overall health. Nutritionists are experts in healthy eating. They guide people to make informed food choices. Let's explore a day in the life of a nutritionist. We'll uncover their strategies for a healthier lifestyle. Nutritionists practice what they preach. Their days revolve around healthy habits. A nutritionist's day is a delicate balance. They juggle client appointments, research, and personal commitments. Despite their busy schedules, they prioritize their well-being. They understand that taking care of themselves allows them to better serve others. Their mornings often begin with exercise. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a gym workout, they prioritize movement. Exercise energizes them for the day ahead. It also reinforces the importance of physical activity to their clients. After their workout, they fuel their bodies with a nutritious breakfast. This could be a bowl of oatmeal with fruits and nuts, a vegetable omelet, or a smoothie packed with greens and protein. They understand that breakfast kickstarts their metabolism and provides sustained energy. Then, their workday begins. The first consultation of the day is always an important one. They might meet a new client or follow up with an existing one. They listen attentively to their clients' concerns, goals, and challenges. They provide personalized advice tailored to their individual needs. Between consultations, they take short breaks. They recognize the importance of stepping away from their desk to recharge. During these breaks, they might go for a quick walk, have a healthy snack, or simply close their eyes and practice mindfulness. Their work extends beyond individual client meetings. They might be developing nutrition workshops, writing articles for health magazines, or giving presentations at conferences. They are passionate about educating the public on the importance of good nutrition. As the day progresses, their focus remains on healthy habits. They drink plenty of water throughout the day, avoiding sugary drinks. They often pack their lunch to ensure they have nutritious options readily available. Section 4. Fueling the day. Their lunches are simple, yet packed with nutrients. They might have a salad with grilled chicken or fish, a lentil soup, or a whole wheat wrap with hummus and vegetables. They understand the importance of balanced meals for sustained energy and focus. Their afternoons are often a mix of client appointments and administrative tasks. They might be updating client records, responding to emails, or researching new dietary approaches. They are committed to providing personalized care and staying informed about the latest developments in nutrition science. Evenings are dedicated to wrapping up work and transitioning into personal time. They might check emails one last time, organize their schedule for the next day, or catch up on industry news. They strive to maintain a healthy work-life balance. They understand that their work is not just a job, but a lifestyle. They are passionate about helping others achieve their health goals through the power of food. Section 5. Client consultations. Their evenings are a time for relaxation and rejuvenation. They often cook dinner at home using fresh, whole ingredients. They might try new recipes or stick to old favorites. Cooking is another way they de-stress and nourish their bodies. Dinner is a time for connection. They often share meals with family or friends, discussing their day and enjoying each other's company. They believe that sharing meals fosters healthy relationships with food and loved ones. After dinner, they engage in relaxing activities. They might read a book, listen to music, go for a walk, or spend time with loved ones. They prioritize self-care, understanding that it's essential for their well-being and their ability to care for others. Before bed, they wind down with a calming routine. This might involve a warm bath, a cup of herbal tea, or reading a book. They prioritize sleep, recognizing its importance for physical and mental recovery. Section 6. Striking a balance. A nutritionist's day is a testament to their commitment to health and wellness. They live what they preach, demonstrating that healthy habits are achievable with conscious effort. Their routine is a source of inspiration for their clients and a reminder that small changes can make a big difference. Their lifestyle offers valuable takeaways for everyone. Prioritizing whole foods, staying hydrated, and incorporating regular exercise are key. Mindful eating, stress management, and adequate sleep are equally important. Remember, healthy living is not about perfection, but about balance. It's about making conscious choices that nourish your body and mind. By adopting some of the habits of a nutritionist, you can pave your way towards a healthier and happier life.